Welcome to our channel, where we share educational insights and parenting tips for child development. We're dedicated to providing valuable information to support children's growth and well-being. We're excited to collaborate with child empowerment experts to share their valuable insights. Video titles are carefully crafted to include relevant keywords, such as unlocking emotional awareness in children, to ensure that our content is easily discoverable and beneficial for our viewers. We encourage comments and discussions related to child development, behavioral health, and educational support. Share your thoughts and experiences to foster a supportive community. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly child empowerment tips and visit our website to explore the features of our Skills Tutelage app. Take action to empower your child's development journey. Thank you for being a part of our community. We're committed to providing valuable educational insights and parenting tips.